I think Farmer to Farmer is a wonderful program.
It's just an incredible opportunity.
It's become such a huge part of my life.
It was an opportunity to really give back in a serious way to developing countries.
I was excited to have the opportunity to continue virtual. It's not the same. It's definitely, not as fun as being able to go in person and be with people and experience the country and, get out and see new places. But it's been a really, really great way to continue to stay involved, to build my skills and to continue to help others.
I thought the idea of having a local counterpart here who helped from that end was a great idea. I think that should always be the case with Farmer to Farmer. There should be a local counterpart.
Una muy buena opción porque el hecho de que yo esté acá en la misma zona hace que puedo compartir la realidad y él con sus conocimientos nos puede guiar para dar solución.
It was very different doing it remotely, having already done an in-country trip. I couldn't have done it without the in-country Lebanon team. Kiara was basically the boots on the ground for me and our work in the facility, the kitchen that we were working with. She would make observations, we would reconvene, and we would go over what those observations were and then plan what we would go over with the site themselves. I was actually surprised how much we were able to get done and translate back over to the in-country site that we were visiting.
My impression when I was first asked was, okay, it's going to miss the cultural part. It's going to miss my actually seeing what the beekeepers are doing. I'll be able to talk with them a bit, but it's all going to depend on who my partner is over there, how well it works. She was the main reason that it was successful.
I didn't expect that somewhere in this world there were beekeepers that have the same vision as me. That surprised me a lot with Ed, that we have the same vision that with training beekeepers in beekeeping, we should start to the beginning, bee biology, for the trainees to understand how bees live, how they work, and then the rest of the training can go easily after.
I've been raising Borgos since I was pretty much a child. I've learned a lot of things the hard way, and so I wanted to participate in Farmer to Farmer, not only just to share knowledge, but to share that common interest with other people in other countries for me to maybe potentially help somebody else.
I am very happy to work with Zago. Every time when we ask the questions about the disease, boar goat, as well the goat disease management and the every sector, he has given the smart answer. He is very knowledgeable, very interactive. I like his style, yeah. Yeah.
My partner in this assignment was and is Marilyn Phillips, and working with her has proved to be great in terms of learning because she brings so much experience with her to the classroom. The way she conducts the sessions is very different from me, which is a wonderful experience for the kids to see that there's different style from a different culture.
Liana was very good at taking marketing concepts and doing very practical exercises, ideation sessions, and that sort of thing. It's just meeting people where they are, getting to their needs, fitting our consulting to their needs in very practical ways that can have an impact.
Աշնագյուղ մթերքով սկսված մեր վերապատրաստումից, ինչքան որ ունեցնենք շահույթ, դեռ ամբողջ մասը դրել ենք մեր համայնքի զարգացման համար։ Եվ ինչ որ ծրագրերի մեջ օգուտ ենք տվել համայնքին։
What I've discovered, sometimes the intervention is not a big thing. It might be morning meetings for just 10 minutes has resulted to this big results, which has been happening. Although at the beginning was tough, but Catherine was there encouraging us, to assist us.
To be able to talk to Ernest and even to greet all the staff members in the room, to encourage them to go make something happen.
Catherine is she's a good leader. She's a good manager. And she passed on that to me, but also I passed on that to the microfinance institutions.
Tumejifunza mambo mengi sana kuhusu Catherine na Mr. Jeremo. Kwanza nianze chini kidogo, kwa sababu kwanza yeye alikuwa hatufanyi zile ripoti za kila wiki au za kila mwezi, ametushauri tufanye, na kwa hivi sasa tayari tunafanya zile ripoti. Tumejifunza vizuri sana.
Community received our service to them, and it has improved their lives, the performance of the organizations, which has been trickled down to the beneficiaries.
Lakini nilipochukua zile hela, nikaja nikanunua mbolea, nikanunua dawa, nikaendelea na shughuli zangu za kilimo. Mara ya pili pia nilipoenda kuchukua hela, nikaendelea tena na shughuli zangu za kilimo, nikatanua zaidi eneo langu.
I think Farmer to Farmer has helped me to be a better teacher by using different examples, using different content, using different perspectives that I either wasn't aware of or, didn't think I had the time to include. But so it's really also made, I think, my regular teaching at home more inclusive, hopefully more inclusive, and a wider worldview as well.
I think cultural exchange is extremely important. I just know that when there are problems in different countries, some people feel them and some people don't, and that's just because they haven't had the opportunities to meet people that are living under different conditions. And that's one of the main things that Farmer to Farmer does.
I go into it as presumably a teacher or a helper, and in fact I think I learn more from the assignment than the people who are at the other end who are hosting me.
It's been wonderful working with Winrock and the Farmer to Farmer program. So I've been encouraging my colleagues, so I would recommend anyone, I would urge them on and say, go for it, don't look back.
Así que animo a todos y todas, si tienen la oportunidad y el tiempo, pues que participen de estas convocatorias para ser voluntarios.
I'm not a farmer. I don't have that agricultural expertise. What I do have is a sense of understanding of exactly what Farmer to Farmer is trying to do. It's trying to change lives through the intervention of USAID by putting Americans and local experts together.
It opens up so many more possibilities if the organization FDF is willing to build on what we've had to go through during this pandemic period, that you can keep doing things remotely.
It's incredibly rewarding work, being a volunteer for Farmer to Farmer. The knowledge you have to draw on from within yourself, the skills you have to display to convey complicated concepts in a straightforward, easy to understand manner. I feel myself growing, plus just the privilege of meeting other people from other cultures is just an incredible reward.